So what's up, people? Just got something in the mail today, and I want y'all to check it out. So we have the Samsung Galaxy Flip 4. So let's crack into the box and see what this thing looks like. So I also got the silicone cover with the strap, so we're gonna check that out as well. So I got the all black, and as you can see, when it's open, it looks like your average phone. So you can get a size comparison. So it's a little thinner, about the same height, but a little thinner. But once you flip it down, that's when you really get the benefit. And as you can see, you can already kind of see the little bend in the screen. See what the hinge feels like? Okay, that hinge feels good. So this is what it looks like when it's folded down. And then you take that and compare it to how it's in your pocket day and night. So I've been using this as well as the iPhone mini, and I've been loving the smaller phone. So I said, when I saw the advertisement for the Flip, I said maybe I can go to this. Then I had two smaller phones in my pocket. While we're doing that, while that's firing up, we're gonna go ahead and open up this case, see what that looks like. It say that it's silicone, but it's kind of like a hard plastic, so I think you'll have that extra added protection with that. See, you have your cutout for your outside screen here, and then there's like a little nylon strap that you can hook to something. I don't know if I'm going to use that part, but I got this for free when I pre-ordered the phone. So that's how it looks in the case. Like a little hanger. I don't know if I'm in love with that design, but it is what it is. All right, and then we're done with the setup. So let's take a little quick tour around the phone. On the side, you got your power button with your volume rockers on the side. On the back, of course, you have your dual camera setup, as well as your third or your second screen, I guess you can call it, where you can receive notifications and things like that. So you can grab that and look at it in a glance. Then on the bottom, of course, you have your USB Type-C, your speakers, and your mic. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take a little test to see what the video quality looks like. So playing a video, give you an idea of the video quality. Looks really good. Of course, all of these phones normally have a really good screen, but the real test is what I wanna do is, I wanna see what the video quality looks like. So let's go ahead and record some video. And this is cool, so when you bring up the camera, it comes up like this. So you have your controls there and your camera there. So that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and record some video. And I'm gonna set this to its highest setting, which is UHD 60. And right now I'm recording in UHD 60. Hopefully you can see myself. But this right now is being recorded in 4K 60, just to give you an idea of what the video quality is. And I'm also going to switch right now to the audio from the camera. So this is now the video and the audio coming from the back facing camera. So this should probably be the highest quality camera. Now we're going to do a quick test on the front facing camera. All right, so right now I'm recording on the front facing camera, which is also 4K 60. So that's nice. Same quality as the rear facing camera. And on this preview, it looks pretty good, but down in the comment section, tell me how you think it looks. All right, so I just wanted to give y'all my first initial impressions on my first time actually holding and using one of these flip phones. I think I'm going to enjoy this. Definitely going to need some time to play with it and find out all its quirks and features and all of that. I will be coming back with a full review, follow-up video. If y'all will be interested in that, drop it down in the comment section and I'll be sure to make that happen. So if you have any other questions about this phone, drop them down in the comment section. I'll be sure to get to them. I'll be dropping the link down in the description if you want to check this out. It's currently retailing for $9.99 for the 128 gigabyte version. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're on the road to 10K. I appreciate all of y'all support. All right, so until the next time, peace out.